Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the QuickBooks tax form generator for 1099s. Begin by visiting the official QuickBooks website. In the search bar, type QuickBooks tax form generator and press enter. Look for the link that directs you to the QuickBooks tax tool page. Click on that link to access the page. Once on the page, review the features and specifications of the tax form generator. Scroll down until you find the download options. Select the version that is compatible with your operating system. Once you have chosen the correct version, click on the download button. A prompt may appear asking where you want to save the file. Choose a convenient location on your computer and click Save. Wait for the download to complete. After the download is finished, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement to proceed with the installation. Choose the installation directory if prompted, or leave the default settings. Click on Install to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Now, locate the QuickBooks tax form generator on your desktop or in your programs list. Double-click the icon to launch the application. You are now ready to use the QuickBooks tax form generator for your 1099s. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.